Google just updated their Gemma 4 model, and here you see this is the official update. We are rolling out some big improvements to Gemma 4, fueled by incredible community feedback and contributors. And here you see this is the list of updates that they have done. First point is the speed gain, 25 to 70% faster prefill, up to 31% lower time to fast token. What is the meaning of this prefill? When you are giving your prompt to Gemma 4, then Gemma 4 is reading your prompt and understanding the context. And that time got reduced after this update, 25 to 70% faster. Means previously, let's say you have given the 20 pages PDF and it took around 5 seconds to understand. Now it will take around 2 to 3 seconds to understand the whole PDF. Okay, and that is the actually huge update. Next point is the chat formatting, fixed null handling, input validation, and missing turn tags. Meaning is that previously, if part of the conversation was missing and empty, Gemma could become confused. But this updated chat template fixes issues like null values, missing turn markers, or invalid input. Okay. Next one is this thinking. Corrected how thinking content is written or rendered. The meaning is that Gemma has a hidden reasoning process that is thinking. And before producing the final answer, they use that. So previously, before this update, that reasoning could sometimes disappear or get mixed up during longer interactions. Let's say user is giving a question, solve this math problem. Then Gemma is thinking. Then halfway through another step, it forgot the part of its reasoning or thinking, and it is giving the wrong answer. But this is the third fixes. After this, its internal reasoning stays organized, making answers more consistent across the multiple turns. Next update is the tool output. Restore the assistant turn plus thinking queue after tool calls. What is that? This matters if Gemma is using the tools like calculator or weather API or search or database or Python, any of the tools, if Gemma 4 is using, then previously what was happening that let's say you have asked a question, what is the weather in Tokyo now? And Gemma is calling the weather tool, and weather tool returns the answer 27 degrees centigrade, and it just printing that 27 degrees centigrade, no other information. And also Gemma for sometimes stopped there and forgot to explain why 27 centigrade. But after this update, here you see thinking queue after tool calls means um, without giving only the 20 degree centigrade heat explains any other many other conditions also, like it is currently 27 degrees centigrade and sunny weather in Tokyo and other lot of information. Okay, so it actually smoothly give you or take you to the final answer. Next one is this tool calling. So improved accuracy and consistency and turn closer. The meaning is that Gemma is now better at deciding when to use a tool and which tool to use and how to format the request. So before, let's say you before this update, let's say you are asking that calculate 547 multiply 812. Okay, so Gemma might try to do it manually without using a calculator tool, but now it correctly calls the calculator tool. So that is a huge upgrade. Next is the continuations. Remove duplicate turn tags and unwanted new lines. The meaning is that sometimes our response is cut off because it reaches the maximum token limit. Okay, so what happens that let's say in your response there are 6 points, but due to some token limit you got 3 points. Now you are saying that continue, and Gemma 4 again writing that 1, 2, 3 points. But instead of that, it should continue from fourth point, right? So actually that part got fixed in this continuations. Next is the prompt. So reverted generation prompt regressions plus fixed historical turns. The meaning is that the model now remembers previous conversations and history in a better way. Let's say before this update, the issue was like you have given the information. My dog name is let's say Bruno, and later when you are asking that what is my dog's name, it actually forgot that, and it is giving the answer like I'm not sure. But after this update, this update, this prompts, it can correctly remember and understand the whole conversation history. And if you ask what is my dog name, it can give the answer, your dog name is Bruno. Okay, so conversation history is handled more reliably now. Next one is conf, so removed APC through primer and corrected historical turn handling. What is that? So it is basically they are mostly the internal improvement they have done. And Google removed an internal prompt like APC thought primer. This is the thing, APC thought primer. Okay, and improved how previous conversations turns are interpreted. Okay, and after this update, each turn in a multi-step workflow or multi-turn workflow, each turn stays correctly linked to its corresponding question and answer. Okay. Next update is FA4 Uniform Flash Attention for support on NVIDIA Hopper GPUs. Okay, what is this? So actually, this only affects the supported NVIDIA GPUs, especially the Hopper architecture like H100. Okay, and flat attention is actually the faster way to process the long sequences. So before, let's say, processing the 1 lakh token, it was taking 10 seconds, but now after this update, this flash attention 4, it will now take 7 seconds or 6 seconds instead of 10 seconds. So same answer, but you will get the answer very fast. Now next one is this template, added canonical chat template header, and uh, okay, it got overlapped. Added canonical chat template header and comments. Okay, so what is that? A chat template actually tells the model how to structure a conversation internally. Okay, so you can think this chat template as the grammar rules of the AI or for the AI. Okay, so they have improved that, and Google provides one official canonical template that everyone can use, leading to more consistent behavior across all of the apps. Next one is vision. Default max soft tokens 280 1120 for the surfer OCR. What is that? This is basically for the image understanding. We all know that Gemma 4 is a multimodal model. So they have improved this image understanding, means the vision process. Now these parameters actually controls how much visual details Gemma 4 analyzes. Default is 280. Here you see default max token 280. It is good for the photos, objects, and scenes. And higher is the 1120, and it is best for the OCR, scan documents, and handwritten notes, and also the small text, etc., etc. Okay. So I think you now got the idea that Google actually update their Gemma 4 model in a much more huge way, and you should re-download or you should update the templates for this Gemma 4. Means if you have previously downloaded this Gemma 4 from llama or LM Studio, then please download it again. Otherwise, you will not get this advantage, right? And also please update the template if you are using any, and you will probably use the. So yes, guys, these are the things that I wanted to share with you. If you found this video helpful, this detailed explanation, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you want to stay updated, please make sure to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.